everyone, I am Saloni and today I'm going to tell you how to be confident until you become a fluent speaker. This is a question which is most commonly asked by all of you, that whenever you start your journey of English, that point of the time you start with the enthusiasm, you start with the strong determination, you start with the strong, you can say, perseverance. But after a month, you do not maintain the same level of the perseverance and you don't have the same level of determination. Why does it happen? In this video, I'm going to cover it. So please, I want you to keep on watching this video. It will also help you to get rid of this kind of the mindset if you have. So let's get started. As the question is, how to be confident until you become a fluent speaker. Look, I tell you that some of the learners, what they do, not some of, majority of the learners, whenever they start their journey of English, at that point of the timing, they start with the enthusiasm that yes, I have to learn English. I have to become a fluent speaker. I want to improve my English. But after a month, as they continue, you can say, improving and learning their English, afterwards they become bored. They feel they don't have the same level of the interest. They start being impatienceless. So I tell you that if you also get this kind of the problems, this kind of the issues while learning English, so what you have to do it? If you want to remain confident until you become a fluent speaker, for that you have to remember the 3C formula that I'm going to give you, which will not be useful in English, but also it will help you to be confident in any field. Whether you are an aspirant, you are a competitor, you are anyone, you are a businessman. If you want to be confident while doing anything, if you are not getting the quick result, so I tell you what you have to do it. You have to always remember the 3C formula. As you can see here, 3C formula: C, confidence, clarity and consistency. I tell you one thing, okay? If you have decided to do anything in your life, first you must be clear with your goal, with your activity, whatever you have decided. If you have decided that you have to learn English, you want to be the fluent speaker, for that you must be clear that yes, I want to be a fluent speaker. You don't learn just somebody is forcing you. Just ask yourself, are you having the clarity? Do you really want to learn it or not? Means you must ask this kind of the question to yourself. And if you have the clarity, then obviously nobody will stop you to become the fluent speaker. And second is confidence. Confidence is something which matters a lot in our life. So when you have the clarity towards your goal, whatever activities that you do in your daily life, okay, and whatever goal that you have, that you want to achieve it, so for that you must ask to yourself. Means most of the learners, they come to me and they ask me, ma'am, will I be able to speak fluent English? Will I be fluent speaker? Means when you get this kind of the issues and this kind of questions in your mind, it means that you don't have confidence. Confidence means you do not ask with other person that you will speak or not. You must ask this question to yourself, that will I speak English or not? Because you know yourself better than others. And if you do not have the answer of this question, it means that you don't have confidence. You have lack of confidence. So you have to focus on this. Okay? You have to increase your confidence that yes, if I have decided that I want to learn English, it means that no problem will stop me to become the fluent speaker. No matter what may happen, I will speak English. And third is most powerful, which is consistency. As you all know that consistency beats intensity. Consistency is the key to success. Whatever activities that you do, wherever fields you are in, you want to make your own empire, you want to create your own empire, you want to make your own achievement in that, you have to be consistent. I tell you, if you look for anything, any consequences, any outcome in the less time, it's never gonna be happen. Everything takes a time. If you are a learner, if you want to improve your English, for that you also give yourself time. You have to be patientful. You must have patience. And you should continue your journey until you get the success. Means you must have the consistency. Be consistent. No matter what may happen, no matter any member of your family passed away, no matter flood comes, earthquake comes, any problems take place, it doesn't matter, but you have to be consistent. When we are hungry, when we are famished, that we want to eat food, that time do we see that who has passed away, what problems has taken a place in our life? We don't look for that. Why? Because that time we only focus on our hunger. So same like that, you have to focus on English. You have to keep on practicing on the daily basis. Today you are making mistake, tomorrow you are making mistake, overmorrow you will make mistake. But no problem. Mistake is the sign that you will progress in your life. If you do not make mistake, it means that you are not progressing. And you know that learning is never ending process. You have to keep on learning. So these are the tips which I have brought from my team for all of you. So please, if you also lose your confidence, so watch this video to remain be confident and remain be motivated. So keep on watching and keep on supporting me. So bye bye, take care. See you in next video. अरे बाप रे बाप.